Out in the open ocean, a shape moves like a flying blanket. Silent, slow, and graceful, this is the manta ray, one of the largest fish in the sea and one of the most peaceful. Despite its enormous size, the manta ray feeds on some of the smallest creatures on Earth. Today we dive into the hidden life of this ocean giant. Manta rays belong to the shark family, but they are very different from their toothy cousins. They have no stingers, no sharp teeth for hunting, and no interest in attacking. Instead, mantas are gentle filter feeders, spending their lives gliding through warm oceans. Some manta rays can grow wider than a small car, yet they move with the calm control of a drifting cloud. A manta ray's body is designed for motion. Its wide pectoral fins flap like wings, allowing it to soar through water with almost no effort. At the front of its head are two strange fins that look like horns. These are called cephalic fins. When feeding, the fins unfurl and guide water straight into the manta's mouth, like living funnels. Despite their size, manta rays eat tiny food. Plankton, krill, and microscopic organisms make up nearly their entire diet. To feed, mantas open their mouths wide and swim forward, filtering thousands of liters of water every hour. Special plates inside their mouths trap food while water flows out. It's slow, steady eating, and incredibly efficient. Manta rays have the largest brain-to-body ratio of any fish. They are curious, aware, and surprisingly intelligent. Divers often report mantas approaching them, circling slowly, and even making eye contact. Some mantas recognize individual humans and return to the same cleaning stations again and again. These animals don't just swim, they think. In coral reefs, manta rays visit special places called cleaning stations. Here, small fish remove parasites and dead skin from the manta's body. The manta remains almost perfectly still, hovering in the water. It's a quiet moment of trust between species. Without these cleaning stations, mantas would struggle to stay healthy. Manta rays are usually solitary, but they do gather for feeding or mating. When plankton blooms appear, dozens of mantas may arrive, forming feeding chains or spirals in the water. One manta follows another, creating a graceful underwater dance. These gatherings are rare and unforgettable. Manta rays grow slowly and reproduce even more slowly. A female may give birth to only one pup every few years. The pup is born fully formed, already over a meter wide. There is no parental care. From the moment it enters the ocean, the young manta must survive alone. This slow reproduction makes manta rays extremely vulnerable. In the wild, adult manta rays have few natural predators. Large sharks and orcas are among the only animals capable of hunting them. But the greatest danger comes from humans. Fishing nets, boat strikes, pollution, and targeted hunting have pushed manta populations into decline. Some cultures hunt mantas for their gill plates, a practice that has devastated numbers worldwide. Manta rays play an important role in ocean ecosystems. By feeding on plankton, they help regulate food chains. Their presence also supports ecotourism, bringing awareness and protection to marine environments. Protecting mantas means protecting the health of the ocean itself. Today, manta rays are protected in many parts of the world. Marine sanctuaries, fishing bans, and responsible tourism are giving these giants a chance to recover. Every manta saved is a step toward a healthier ocean. The manta ray is proof that size does not equal danger, and that strength can exist without aggression. Silent, intelligent, ancient, a giant of the sea, flying endlessly through blue. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey, please like, share, and subscribe BrightMinds for more amazing stories from our living planet.